This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Roblox account has voice chat enabled and age verified, because Roblox blocks voice otherwise. Once done, update the app to the latest version and use a supported device, like Windows 10/11 or the official mobile app. Next, open your operating system's sound settings and grant microphone permissions to the app and browser. Select the correct input device. Doing these first reduces variables and speeds troubleshooting when the voice channel still fails to Now you focus on configuration and network details that commonly cause no audio issues. First, test the microphone locally with the OS recorder and then in Roblox's voice test area so you know the mic works. If problems persist, disable VPNs and adjust firewall or router NAT settings. Voice needs UDP and certain ports open. Also check Windows privacy settings and game mode. Make sure Roblox has mic access. Finally, restart Roblox so the app reinitializes audio with the new settings. Finish by rejoining the voice-enabled server or party and verifying in-game voice sliders, muting and channel selection. You might simply be locally muted. If hardware is detected but silent, update or reinstall your audio drivers and the Roblox client to clear driver conflicts. Once complete, test again. If you still can't hear, capture Roblox logs and try signing in on a different device. That isolates whether the issue is account-related or device-specific, and that single test often pinpoints the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.